What's up, everybody, and welcome to another episode of Creative Smoothie. Today, I have a pretty interesting topic that I'm going to talk to you about, and it is marketing automation. Now, you've heard me talk about automation a bunch and systems, so I'm going to keep this short, but I did want to give you the first few steps and tips as to how you can improve your marketing automation. But before I jump into that, I wanted to explain to the coaches, the freelancers, the business people listening why marketing automation is very important if you don't already know. So marketing automation is basically the automating of manual tasks that have to do with your marketing efforts. And if you're a one-man team, it's especially important for you to listen to this because there's a lot of different things that you're doing that can be automated, outsourced, or just in general optimized. But I'm not here to tell you exactly how to automate every single step of your business because that would take us not hours but days. Instead, I'm here to give you the first few steps as to how you can consciously decide what systems to automate and what systems not to automate in your marketing. So the first thing you want to do is understand that marketing automation can either increase or decrease the quality of your services depending on what you choose to automate. So it's very important to know what you're going to automate, right? It's important to know what kind of task or system you're not going to manually do every single day, but instead you're going to have the faith that you can live it up to a robot or an algorithm to do for you. Okay, that's very, very important. The next thing you want to do is you have to identify repeated tasks that you already carry out every single day as part of your marketing. Okay, these are many different things. Those are content creations, lead generations, lead qualification, for example, appointment setting. There's so many different things that you can automate about posting content online. There's so many things that you can automate about talking to people in your DMs. There's a lot of different things, but look at the things that you repeat daily, right? Even participating on other people's stories or other people's accounts or other people's content, that can be automated. So look at the repeated tasks that you already are doing, okay? And once you've done that, I want you to look at the tasks that are currently efficient and the tasks that are just setting you back and dragging you back. So all of those tasks that you repeat, is that repetition necessary? And is that repetition bringing you the results that you desire? And if the answer is no, then that's the system that you have to choose, or that's the task that you have to choose to automate. Okay, so if a task is already creating the kind of results that you want, then keep on doing it. But if it isn't, if your goal is to make $90,000 or $100,000 a month or a year, and you're getting to only 50, 60,000, it's most likely that the tasks or the actions or the systems that you're automating are not correct. Okay, so you have to understand what the current things that you're doing, which of these tasks are efficient, which of these are not efficient. And those that are not efficient are the ones that we are going to edit. Those are the ones that we're going to automate. And so you're going to choose a task from your marketing efforts and you're going to automate it. For example, lead qualification. Lead qualification is understanding whether or not a person that you're going to hop on a call with is worth your time. Are they buy ready? Are they interested in your offer? Do they have the amount of money to pay for your offer? So are they the ideal candidate for your offer or not? And most of the times that looks like sending an email or sending a message or hiring somebody to do some pre-qualification for you. Or sometimes even you jump on a call and you don't even know who you're talking to and you got to qualify them on the call and you got to find out 30 minutes in that they don't have enough money to spend on your program and you've wasted 30 minutes on somebody else who's not going to be a client, right? That's very inefficient way of repeating tasks daily, okay? So this is where you can implement a bit of automation. This is where you can implement things like chatbots. This is where you can have organic funnels that drive people through your content pillars all the way into your DMs. This is where you can have email marketing automated. So every month there's a certain email that goes out to everybody. Or instead of sending it only to one person, you can mass send an email to thousands, if not tens of thousands of people. So you've chosen that action and you realize that you can automate it and then you've automated it, right? There's a bunch of resources that you can use to automate it. There's software. There's people like me who jump on with your team or with you, and we work closely together for a few months to automate and scale your business. But at the end of the day, once you've automated that task, no matter how you've done it, you have to go and look at what it's done. And the main question you want to ask yourself is, has this saved me time? Yes or no? And the second question is going to be, has this put my quality of service in danger? Yes or no? And if you have a yes to the automation and saving time and no to putting your quality in danger, then you've got yourself an awesome automation. It's as simple as that. There's a lot of there are other things, but on the surface level, at a basic understanding of what you should automate and not, this is what makes a difference. Did what you automate create more time for you to work on your business? Yes or no? And did this automation decrease the quality of your customer service, of your service in general? It didn't? Great. Because some automations can damage, and I'm going to go into this another day. I'm going to go into the risks of automation in another podcast, but there are great risks to automation, and if you don't do it in a smart way, in the way that I've told you, then there's a big chance that you're going to automate the wrong thing that's not even that efficient, or you're going to compromise your quality, your value for it, and it's not worth it, okay? So if we manage to smartly automate our marketing efforts, there's a ton of money, time, and value on the table that you can gather and that you can offer to your clients, to your leads, to the people around you. So don't sleep on marketing automation. Again, if you have any other question, please reach out to me. I want to talk to you. I want to hop on a call. Any kind of question, issue, concern that you have, text me. Text me on this comment, text me on social media, DM me on Instagram. I'm an open dude. I want to talk to you. I want to help you. Let's see what we can do for your business, for your coaching business, or for your freelancing business, whatever it is, okay? Don't sleep on the power of marketing automation and do it correctly. Identify a repeating task, identify whether or not it's helping you or if it's damaging you. Choose to optimize that task or automate that task, and then look at whether or not that automation has helped you or has hurt you in the long run. And that's it. This is the basics of it, guys, okay? And like I said, I'm never going to charge for the basics. I'm never going to charge for the information that I share here, the value that I share here with you. So in return, if you found anything useful, if you found anything valuable, please share this with your friends, whether it's on social media or in a conversation. Word of mouth and social proof are the most important signals of content that is worth consuming in 2022. So if you're recommending this to other people, I know they're going to listen. And maybe you should apply that to your own marketing strategies too. Social proof and word of mouth. Guys, this was automation today. Have an incredible rest of your day, and I'll talk to you the next time.